We're going to do a simple tack weld. The first thing that we're going to want to do is grab the handle teach icon and drag that up to our program line. From here, we make sure that the robot is in free mode. We'll teach it a home position. Teach it a position somewhere near the part, and touching the teach button, teach at that point. We're now going to take it into where we want to put our tack weld. Press and hold on the teach button for approximately 3 seconds and release. Without moving, we will repeat that. And that gives us our weld start and our weld end at the same location. Now we will move it up. Quick tap on the teach button to give it a point. And then finally, back up off the part, teach it one more point. Now we'll go to the tablet. We remove our handle teach icon. We go into our weld procedures. Give it our weld procedure and our weld schedule. The last thing that we need to do is we go into programming and we put a wait command between our weld start and our weld end. And what that wait command will do is it will wait for as long as you tell it at that point to perform the tack. I'm going to go with 1 second. We now make sure that our feed is at 100%. We will put it into auto. Press cycle start. And we will dry run just to make sure everything looks good. That looks good. So we grab our safety gear. We will enable the weld. And now we will cycle start to tack weld the part. And there is our tack weld.